Hello everyone, my name is Om Kumar Kesri and I am a final year computer science student. Today I am excited to present to you my latest project, a food ordering application that I developed using the MERN stack. So food ordering using MERN stack. So the main goal of this project is to create a seamless and user-friendly platform for ordering food online. This application covers every aspect of the food ordering process. Users can easily browse through menus, add their favorite items to the cart, place orders, and even track the delivery status in real time. The technology stack behind this project is Munstack, which was carefully chosen for its ability to deliver a robust and scalable solution. In this presentation, I will guide you through the project's design, the implementation details, and share some valuable insights that I gained during the development process. So, the overview of this project is first is project purpose. So, this project focuses on creating a practical and efficient online food ordering system. The main idea is to connect users directly with restaurants, allowing them to browse menus, select items, and place orders in just a few clicks. The convenience factor is key here as the system is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. What makes this project particularly interesting is that it's a real-world application of MERN-stack technologies. By using MERN-stack, these technologies can be leveraged to build interactive and responsive web applications that meet real users' needs. Second is food ordering system. The core function of this project is to offer a comprehensive platform where users can easily browse menus from various restaurants. They can select their desired items and add them to their virtual cart, making the entire selection process simple and intuitive. Once they have made their choices, the system enables them to complete their order securely, ensuring that their payment and personal information is well protected. MERN stack. The MERN stack, which stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js, is a powerful set of JavaScript-based technologies that allow us to build both the front-end and back-end components of the application using a single programming language, JavaScript. This cohesive environment significantly enhances the efficiency of the development process. One of the key advantages of using the MERN stack is its ability to facilitate seamless data exchange between the front end and back end. So now what is full stack web development? So in full stack web development, first comes the front end development. So front end development is all about crafting the user's interface or UI, which is what users see and interact with when they use the application. This involves designing the building visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, backend development. While the front end is what users see and interact with, the backend operates behind the scenes, handling all the core logic, data storage, and server-side operations that keep the application running smoothly. The backend is built using technologies like Node.js and Express, which work together with database to manage data, process user requests, and perform essential operations that users might not directly see but definitely rely on. So now what is full stack developer? Full stack developers are like the Swiss army knives of the software development world. They have expertise in both front end and back end development. This means that they can build complete web applications from start to finish, seamlessly connecting the client side, which is the front end, with the server side, which is the back end. Because they can handle everything from designing user interface to managing database and server operations, full stack developers bring a lot of versatility to our project. So now let me give you an overview of the MERN stack, which is a powerful technologies used to build modern web application. So first is MongoDB. MongoDB is basically a NoSQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. It's perfect for handling large amounts of data and allows developer to work with data in a way that's very similar to how it's represented in the code. Express.js is a lightweight application framework for Node.js. It simplifies the process of building robust APIs and handles the backend logic routing and server-side operations. React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, powers like front end of the project. It's used for building dynamic user interface where you can create reusable UI components that make it easy to develop complex interactive applications. And next is Node.js. Node.js allow us to run JavaScript on the server side. It's the backbone of the backend in the MERN stack, enabling server-side scripting and handling asynchronous operations, making it possible to build scalable and high-performance application. Next is project requirements. So in project requirements, we have functional requirements and non-functional requirements. So in functional requirements, first is user registration and login. In user registration and login, users need to create an account and log in securely to place orders and then browse menu. The user should be able to easily explore the menu, see food description and view images of dishes. And next is placed orders. User needs to select item, adjust quantity, add special request and proceed through a clear checkout process. And then track order status. The user interface should provide real-time updates on order status like order received, preparing, and out for delivery. And in non-functional requirements, first is responsive design. The website needs to work seamlessly on any device like in desktop, tablet, mobile, so users can order easily from anywhere. Secure authentication and authorization. We prioritize data security with robust login processes and access controls to protect user informations. And scalability. The platform needs to be designed to handle increasingly user volume and future product features without slowing down. And it is a user-friendly interface. The overall design should be intuitive and easy to navigate, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience for users. Now, the architecture and design of this project. So, first is client side. So, in client side, our application's client side is built using a React, a popular JavaScript library. So React manages all interactions such as clicks from input and other actions users perform. This ensures that when a user interacts with the application, the response is immediate and intuitive. Displaying dynamic content. The application uses React to displaying dynamic content. This means that the content on the page can change in real time based on users' actions or data updates without requiring a full page reload. Managing user data. React component handles and manages user data efficiently. Each component can maintain its own state, which allows it to track and manage data specific to that part of UI. And second is server side. So the server side of our application is built using Node.js and Express.js, which handles all the backend operations and ensures smooth communication between the client side and the database. Next is database. Our application uses MongoDB as the database to store and manage all the data. MongoDB is a NoSQL database known for its flexibility and scalability. MongoDB stores a variety of data types essential to our applications, including users' information, menu items, and order details. Flexible data model. MongoDB uses a flexible schemaless data model. This means that data is stored in JSON-like data documents rather than traditional tables, allowing for a more dynamic and adaptable structure. Now, API. RESTful APIs play a crucial role in our application by enabling communication between the front end and the back end. Function of RESTful API is that representational state transfer API provide a standardized way for different parts of our application to communicate with each other. They define a set of rules for how data should be requested and sent between the client side and server side. Facilitating data exchange. RESTful APIs facilitate the exchange of data between the client side and the server side. They handle requests from the front end, process them on the server, and return the appropriate response. Now, implementation details. So, first is front end implementation. The front end of our application was developed using React. We need React components to create a modular and maintainable UI like component-based approach. React's component-based approach allow us to build reusable UI elements. Each component is a self-contained unit that encapsulates its own structure, style, and behavior. Benefits of modularity. This modular approach fosters better organization and separation of concern. And next is backend implementation. The backend of our application was developed using Node.js and Express.js. This combination provides a robust framework for handling server-side operations and managing API requests. First is Express Server configuration. Express.js is used to create the server and handle routing. Routing refers to how the server responds to various HTTP requests such as GET, POST, PUT, DELETE made by the client side. Second is RESTful APIs for CRUD operation. We designed RESTful APIs to perform CRUD operations on the data stored in MongoDB. Authentication and authorization. To ensure secure users access and protect data, we implemented authentication and authorization mechanism using JWT. JWT is used to verify user identify. When a user logins in, they receive a token that they must include in subsequent requests to access protected resources. And this is the database management where schema design is used, Mongoose is used, and data seeding and complex queries. How the data is used in MongoDB, this explains this. Next is the goal of internship. So in this internship, I have some learning objectives. During my internship, I gained hands-on experience in full-stack web development with the MERN stack by building a functional food ordering application. This project allowed me to apply and deepen my knowledge in front-end development with React backend development with Node.js and Express.js database management with MongoDB and API design. So the internship was a crucial step in my software development career. It helped me in enhancing my coding skills, gain practical experience in project management and teamwork, and refine my problem-solving abilities. I also learned about industry best practices and the collaborative nature of software development. Now, conclusion. This food order project using the MERN stack has been a rewarding journey, enabling me to build a functional and user-friendly application. The project showcased the power of the MERN stack in building complex web applications, highlighting its flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. This project has provided me with the tools and knowledge to confidently pursue a career in software development, and I am excited to apply the skills and lessons learned to future endeavors. So now, as you can see, this is the project which I have made during the internship. So this is basically a food order online project where we have some restaurants are there, some more restaurants like there are total of 93 restaurants where we can see some restaurants are there. If we scroll down, we can see many restaurants are there. We can order from any restaurant which we want. So as we can see, many restaurants are there. So here some options are there like pure veg, sort by reviews, sort by ratings, where we can see where people if people want some pure veg item, so they can click on if they can click on pure veg, they can see some pure veg items like in their Haldiram one restaurant is there. If we click on Haldiram, we can see some pure veg items are there. If you want to deliver some pure veg item, then we can add to cart and then we can order it. Like this, many restaurants are there. Like if we go on sort by review, we can see some restaurants by their review and we can also see by sort by ratings. If we can click on sort by ratings, we can see some restaurants which are good at delivering good food. So based on the ratings, we can order our foods. So like this, we have what we have to do in this. First, we have to log in. So after clicking on login, first we have to, as we are a new user, we have to first click on new user to register. So on register, first we have to give our name. Like I have given my name is John, and we have to give my our email ID, then password. Like I have given confirm password. Then we have to give our number for registering. And then after clicking on register, we will register. Then we have logout option also. We can, after clicking on logout, we can log out from here. So again, we have to, if we have to log in, then we have to click on email. We have to give our email ID, which we have given on register page. Then we have to give our password, which we have given. Then after clicking on login, we will log in into our account. And there is one more option about profile edit. We can, after clicking on profile edit, we can click on edit profile, and here we can edit our profile. Like I want to change my name to John. So I can change my name to John, and I can change my email ID also. Like I am giving some dummy email ID uh, like this. After that, I have to click on update. After clicking on update, my profile will be updated to the new one. After that, if you want some food, then we have to go to one restaurant. Like I want to order some KFC items. So we can see in KFC restaurant there are many meals are there, as we can see, like KFC chicken bucket, KFC spring wing, spicy wings, KFC popcorn chicken. Like if I want to order KFC spicy wings, then I have to add to this in cart. And like I want to add one more things, like I want to add KFC mac and cheese. So I have to click on add to cart. After clicking on add to cart, we can see in our cart two items are added. Like first we have added, that KFC spicy wings, that is added, and second is KFC mac and cheese. After this, here how much amount of these items will be there, that is given here. After that, clicking on checkout. After clicking on checkout, we will go to the payment page. Here we can, as you can see, we have to give confirmation mail. And after giving all the information, here what we have to give, and then after clicking on pay, we will do the payment. After paying, we can see our order has been placed successfully. So our order has been placed. Then going to my orders, we can see what we have ordered. Like I have ordered KFC spicy wings and KFC mac and cheese. So the amount is also given, status is processing, and order date. All histories are there. And we can also see our track our order from here. Like this, on clicking on this, we can see our order status. Like payment has been paid, order status is processing, and this will be delivered in our time. So this is all about the project which we have made during the internship. So that is all about the project. Thank you very much.